Blue lips. You should watch it. Blue lips. Blue lips. Look at her lip.
Forest, swim team, domino, look.
Ball's in, coming down.
Brown?
After I started to say your name, I was like, you saw me look, I was like, wait, really good help.
Come on, Maddie,
Oh, Maddie, you got this! Come on, Maddie!
3, 7, come on.
All right, Maddie, you all set?
All
right. Oh.
Let's go, man. Come on.
Come on, Maddie.
Come on, Maddie, got this! Come on, Maddie!
Oh.
Right. Come on, Sarah. Come on. Good eye.
Come on, Goman!
Come on, Maddie. You got this.
Come on, Maddie!
Take one, Maddie.
Listen up.
Watch you, watch Bud.
Go, kid. Lock it up, girls. Come on. Come on,
Come on, Maddie. Number 2.
Come on, number 10!
Good, Sarah.
Alright, you see it!
Come on, Sarah.
All right. Let's go. Come on. Hands through. Let's go.
Come on, the 2. She got this. Alright, Delaney, they're there for you.
Hey, come on, hey, home run, bro! What do you think, Jazz?
Yes. Come on, Far.
They want that, hey!
Rip that ball, rip it for me. Rip that ball, rip it for me.
Hey, you got 2 out there.
Oh, that good.
Lock it up, girls. Come on.
There you go, there you go, there you go.
Nice job!
Yeah, Maddie.
Nice whip, Lane.
Okay, ready? Let's go, stay.
Come on, Grace. Good night. Good night, Grace.
1, 1, 2.
Come on, Grace, you got this. What?
Stop short.
Good. Down.
Down, Lane.
Yeah.
Nice throw. Keep it in.
Good work, Kiki. Gotta get there, Molly. Here we go, Eclipse. Here we go. Come on, Grace.
Let's go on, 1 out.
Come on, Domino.
Oh. 3
Good
balls.
night.
Come on, Gracie. You got it.
3 balls, no strikes.
There it is.
Colin's got to get dirty on them, right? All right.
Everybody hits. Come on. Everybody hits.
Comes in, you tell her.
Here we go. Now let's get dirty. Let's knock these down.
Come on, Isabel. Grace home. One down, turn 2.
Hey, you're ready. We're ready. Let's get this out.
Let's go. Horizontal.
Feel looking too. Jerks, Martha, jerks.
Sarah. Come on, Isabel, you got it. Protect me.
No balls, 2 strikes.
Protect. Come on, Crystal!
Same thing. They do not.
Come on, Crystal! Come on, Crystal. Good eye, good eye. Come on, Crystal. Come on, Crystal, protect.
Let's go 2 balls.
Come
1 ball, 2 strikes. 1 ball, 2 strikes.
You guys doing okay?
Well,
Good eye, good eye. Get out, Eclipse, 30 seconds.
Single Eclipse.
yes.
I'll do the
2 balls, 2 strikes.
Open up.
There it is.
Ah!
Straighten it out, Crystal. You almost got it. Hey, Crystal, another chance. Come on, Crystal.
Crystal 2 and 2, right, buddy?
Let's go. All right.
2 balls, 2 strikes.
Come on, Crystal.
Ball,
Good eye, good eye.
over. 3 balls, 2 strikes.
Oh my god, he had tacos on the stick.
Playful, you're catching too? You're catching too? Okay. Oh, you could? Yeah.
Guys, watch the picture.
Hey, look what I did. I put that out there. Beautiful. Can it even be nicer? We'll leave it down here because that's what we know. But listen, you're making, listen. Even though it says substitute up there. Well, the reason why, so you know this, is this is where, let's say, I'm going to write my sub in. Yeah, so that's why.
I see.
Yes.
Okay, so put it down there.
Yep. Okay. That's it. And that is the correct way. Plainville, let me take 2 with you, all right?
Ball's in, coming down.
Everyone wanted me to do the job, but I'm trying to get you something too. All right, Ashley, you ready? Ashley, this girl is from Plainville. Plainville, that girl is Ashley. Ashley, you is from Massachusetts.
Ashley! Come on, Crystal.
Good to go?
Ashley! Let me say once, guys. Everyone cheers.
Here we go, 1-7. Come on, Ashley.
Oh.
Here we go, Ashley.
Clap, clap. Clap.
Here we go, 1-7. Here we go, 1-7.
Let's get the bats going, Eclipse.
Go, Ashley.
Hey, one you want, that's me getting hey.
Sweet.
Here we go, Ashley. Got it. Ashley, you did it. Okay, 1-7.
Good. Nice out there.
Oh.
Oh, yes, you guys do.
1 ball, 2 strikes. Correct.
Sideways. Go, Ashley. Go, Ashley.
Good eye, Ashley. Good eye.
2 balls, 2 strikes.
All right, Ashley.
3 balls, 2 strikes.
Come on, girly, girly.
go. 427. 427. Go, Heather. What do you say, Heather? Run it. You gotta hit it. You gotta hit it. Nice, stay off. Come on. Good job, Heather. Here we go, Heather. Knock her in. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Go, let's have an inning. Let's go. Swing. Hey, good swing. Ashley, watch center field. Put it on. All the way through, Heather.
No ball.
Good header. Good header, Heather. There you go, Heather. Come on now.
Come on, Heather. What do you say, 13?
No balls, 2 strikes.
Stretch, Heather. Match it up.
Back, on the back.
Good running. All right, Elizabeth.
No, I'm not up.
Heather, it's yours.
I thought you were. Hey, here we go, kid. Watch them.
Watch 3, place to 1 or 2.
Come on now, Elizabeth.
Oh,
Go up. Come on, big inning. Come on, Elizabeth. Drive the ball. Big hit. Big hit. Okay, good swing. Wait on it. Wait on it. Good run. Good eye, good eye. Back, back.
Okay, maybe we got you out here for you. We got you out here for you.
Come on, Elizabeth. Knock him in. This is you. This is you.
You got this, Duo. Here we go. Here we go.
Come on, Elizabeth.
dead ball, right here.
Here we go, Duo.
I mean, you're still on.
Hey, I'm front, but I didn't have to.
Okay, come on now,
Right
Elizabeth.
here.
2 balls, 2 strikes.
Big feet.
Come on, Chris.
I know,
Come
my
on.
screen. Here we go, baby.
Your hit here, Elizabeth. Here we go. We got this. Come on, Crystal.
Hit 4.
Foul ball, it was not touched. Foul ball was not touched.
Hey, Elizabeth.
Yeah, on that one.
Hey, here we go.
Base runners, no out. Okay, come on, Elizabeth. Second leg. Second
2
leg.
balls,
Drive
2
the ball.
strikes.
Come on.
Come on, 2
Drive the ball.
Foul.
Straight it out. You got it.
Just like that. It's a good battle right here.
Come on,
Good battle.
come on, Elizabeth.
What's it count?
2 balls, 2 strikes, buddy. Okay? You're welcome.
Come on, Elizabeth.
Hey, Duo.
Here we go, kid. Here we go, baby.
Go, 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 go. Go. Come on, come on, come on.
Nice try, girls. Really good try.
Good job. No outs. No outs. Come on now, Sarah. Come on, beat that here. Let's go. Let's go, Sarah. Drive it somewhere. Come on, Sarah. Drive the ball.
Well,
Stay up. Stay up. No outs. No outs. Good.
well,
Come on now, Sarah. Knock him in. Knock him in, Sarah. Come on, come on. Go! How did not get it?
Get out of there. She can bump you because you're, you know what I mean?
Hey, here we go, Kiki, kid. Here we go, Kiki, kid.
Come on, go. One out. Go, Kiki. Come on, Kiki.
One down, watch three, go watch. Here we go, Kiki.
Come on, Kiki.
Thanks.
Yeah, Kiki.
You don't like yellow, then we'll have to play pink.
Nice, Krista.
Kiki, jump on it. Go, jump on it. Here we go.
That was just good.
Okay, Kiki. Yeah, no. Right it up.
No ball. Two strikes. Dead ball. Second base.
Good job, Elizabeth.
Nice job, nice job.
Kiki, 1-0.
1 out, Fred.
You're getting good, buddy.
Catch the ball.
Go, you're on the ball. You're on it.
Wait, I can count the ball. Wait, come off the bat.
Anytime you need to.
If it's not there, catch the ball. That's what we want.
Come on now, Adriana. Here we go.
Hey, here we go, Adriana, kid.
Here we go, Adriana.
Except for me,
Dead ball, dead ball. Right here.
Kiki, 1 out.
Are you okay to play?
Here we go. Here we go.
Hey, here we go, Adriana, kid.
Come on now, Adriana.
Here we go, Adriana. Here we go, Nine.
Wait.
Look.
Come on. Huh?
Yeah, you're good. Two down, and then come on and place the line. Here we go now, Erica, kid. Here we go now. Come on, Erica.
Go, Erica. Here we go, Erica. Come on now. Have a day. Let's go.
Got twos.
Come on, Adriana.
Hey, here we go, Erica, kid. Here we go.
Don't go.
Digging and drive your pitch, kid. Digging and drive your pitch. Here we go, Erica.
Come on now, Erica. Yeah, that's it.
Stay in there, stay in there. Here we go now. You got it! Voice Erica, come on!
Oh.
Hey, Erica, kid, let's go now.
Here we go, Erica. Come on now.
Here we go,
Erica. Nice swing.
Oh, we got a kick. How are we doing? What day is today? What day is it today? Saturday. You sure? Do you know what day of the month it was? All right. Coach, your player's okay.
Here we go, twos, race Erica!
All you, Erica. Same swing. Attack the ball, Erica. Attack it, Erica. Come on now.
There you go, Erica, kid, here we go now. Hey, Colin! Come on, Higher turn down, Molly. Turn down, Molly.
Turn those wheels on. Come on, Molly. What do you say, Molly? Come on. Oh, that's you, Molly. That's you.
Yeah, you've seen it. You're ready now. You're ready now. Here we go. Hey, let's dig in the drive, kid. Dig in the drive. Here we go, Molly.
Come on, Molly. What do you say, Molly? Come on.
Erica, slide.
That's me. Did you dance? Hey, Molly, here you go now. Here we go, Bob. She's there for you, Molly.
Come on, Molly. Do that.
Hey, pick yours up, kid. Pick yours up, kid.
Come on, Molly. Put it in play here. Go.
Go, go. Bye, Nana.
Good inning, good inning. Let's go. Tighten up the defense. Tighten it up. Get up the bat. Let's go. Tighten up the D.
That should be okay.
Yeah. As long as the knees don't get hurt.
Yeah, I know.
All right,
Alright guys, it's funny. There's
Ball's in, come down.
Come on, Annie! Come on, guys. Come on, Annie! Not this number one! Alright, look, here you go. Look, big girl.
Tonight, there's a lot of people that don't know this. Let's go. Hi, is that your brother?
Everybody.
Because he's from Plainville too. Oh, you good, buddy? Okay, here we go.
Please. Come on! Come on, Annie! Oh, there it is! Window, Eclipse, go on! Nice job, Annie. Do great, Sarah. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Nice pitch, Sarah. Nice pitch.
Come on, Allie. Good for 4. Good eye, guys. Allie. Let's go, Allie. Come on, Allie. Come on, Allie.
Use the bat. Okay, use the bat. Alright, you good? Henderson, 1 ball, 2 strikes.
Come on, Allie.
That's it, Sarah. Good job, Sarah.
Good ball.
Go, Tina. Come on, kid. Boy, you got it.
Like getting a 2 off.
Oh.
Good eye, good eye.
Here you go, Sarah. Working out, Sarah.
Come on, Bettina, you got this, boy. Come, Tina!
How you doing? Be good. 3 balls, no strikes. Okay?
Come, Tina, you got this!
3 balls,
Come, Tina!
no strikes.
Come, Tina!
There you go, Sarah.
Way to get this fit!
Good swing, come on. Swing. Like last night.
Charlie, you alright? You good?
You go, Sarah, you got it, come, Bettina!
3 balls, 1 strike. Pull for it.
Come on.
Watch the L2.
Go.
Go, Sarah. Throw it up, Sarah. Get the battle.
Come on, Maddie.
Nice play, Vinny. Good job.
Oh, yeah.
Every new batter, think of how many outs there are.
Yeah, no, I did. I like that actually last year.
Yeah, nice play. Let's go, Rod. Go. Here we go, back. Back's going. Back's going. Who's up,
Ball zone coming down.
Go, Ben. Go. Look. You're good? All right, we're not going to do your field ball, just with the hour. But it's up to your call. I can't promise. Benny, grand slam. Here we go, Benny.
We're going to play him. We're good?
Go, Chris, go. Drop. Good job, Benny.
Hey, Benny, let's start Benny!
Michael, should that ball been caught? Should that ball been caught?
377.
Oh.
Okay, here we go. This is you. Come on. Show us what you got. Be that hitter.
Oh.
Here we go. Come on now. Put it in play.
Hey, Jojo, let's go, kid. Here we go. Need to hit out of you.
Oh.
Good eye, Jordan.
You bring it back down and get the ball, okay?
Come on, Jordan, you got it.
3 balls, no strike. All 4.
Okay, here we go. Here we go, Word. 4-1-3. Come on.
Hey, nice hit.
Where's the
Here we go.
4?
Ashley, good job. Nice job. Here we go. Good job. We're up this way. Full swing all the way through. This is why we're here. Come on. Come on, Heather. Good eye, Heather. Good eye. Here we go, Heather. Come on now, Heather.
Good stuff. That's the good stuff.
Come on, Sean. Let's go. Have a line drive right here. Line drive. Let's go.
Here we go, Heather. What do you say, Heather?
3 balls, 1 strike.
Give it a rep, Heather. Give it a rep.
Crystal Isabel.
Hey, here we go, kid.
let me know when it's scored. Good job, come on. There you go, catch. Okay, here we go.
Okay, don't let it
Not yours, not yours.
I'm giving that to your kids and coach. All you, all you.
Hey, here you go. Know him better, know him better. That's horrible.
Pick it up.
Ball!
Stay back, hands back.
Okay.
Do your thing, you just do your thing.
Come on, Elizabeth. Check the plate.
No balls, 2 strikes.
Good job, nothing close.
Come on, Bell, let's go.
Here you go, Smith!
Let's go, Sarah.
Here you go, Sarah.
Here you go, Sarah.
Here you go, Sarah.
Go, go, go.
That's it, Sarah.
Move it, move it, move it! You're good, you're good.
Sarah. Come on, keep it going. Keep it going, Peach. Try not to go. Get out. Who else? You forced to that.
Ball.
Jump on that first one you see.
Watch out.
Hey, here we go, Kiki again. Good, Kiki. What do you say, Seven? Come on, Kiki.
Go, go, come on. Come on, come on. You go. Come on. Go.
Kiki! Not there, Kiki, not there!
Put your helmet on, put your helmet on. Thank you.
Kiki, that's it. Come on, Adriana. Same thing. Keep it going. Keep it going.
Hey, your turn now, kid. Your turn now, kid.
Come on, Adriana. Come on.
Here we go, Adriana. What do you say, Nine?
Okay, Adriana. Shake that off. Okay? Shake that away. You ready? Let's go.
Let's go, come on.
Hey, good job. Everyone's head of the game. Go, Adriana. You got it.
Stay back, stay back. Wait up.
Hey, wait back, right? Come on, go. Let that ball come to you. Don't go to it. Here we go. Let it come to you.
No balls, 2 strikes.
Come on, Adriana. Climb it up.
Hey, right to you and drive it. Right to you and drive it. Adriana.
Ball.
Good eye, good eye.
Okay.
Go. Come on, Adriana. Climb it up. Go.
1 ball, 2 strikes.
Here we go, you got it, Adriana. Come on, Nine. Come on, Adriana.
Ball.
Yeah, that was trying to
Of course.
Here you go, Adriana.
2 balls, 2 strikes.
I'll try this one.
Go, 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 go.
Nice job.
Nice play, catcher. Nice play.
Okay, hustle up. Let's go, Eclipse. Go, girl. Go, go. Maddie, Delaney, Grace, Isabel. Here we go. Go.
Come on, Chen.
Holly Elizabeth. Coming your way, coming your way.
Go pass ball.
Alden, coming down.
You had to call it a while, pitch. When's he coming?